Just a real quick unboxing and first impressions. Okay, through both sides. The Praxis, if you haven't seen the short. That thing, if it had the G10 handles, probably would be close to taking first place. Love this thing. This is my favorite, but there's a little bit of play. Like, you can't see it at all. I think it has to do with the stop pins. Maybe like the super locks, allowing it to just be able to drop a little bit and then come back up and hit the liner inside where the stop pins hit. Most likely what it is, a tiny bit of rattle, like somewhat annoying, but most of the time it locks up solid. Doesn't do it at all. I don't know what's going on. It actually started as soon as I tightened the pivots up a little bit, because I did have side-to-side play from using it so much. I don't know which one this is. Excuse me. Getting cold or something. Hard to clear my throat a lot. I don't know which one this is. I didn't look, but we're soon to find out together. So this is the one by Sean. I think it's Ashburn or something like that. It's the guy that's off the Rookie. My wife watches it all the time. That looks like a pink cubit. That's a first. That's kind of cool. Haven't got that one yet. Color wise, so these are both lime green. You can tell the difference. This is a G10 lime green. That's aluminum. The G10 already feels better. So what do we got for fit and finish? Call that right down the center. My view is like that. Camera's view is like that. Fit and finish wise, it looks really, really nice. It's actually bigger than I expected. Just a size comparison, because this one's going to be more comparable to this Rosecraft Overall Creek farmhand in size. A weirder, more of an odd angle than I'm used to. I'm used to being more on top of the thing. Let me adjust a little bit. More like that. I have a titanium clip coming, so it's not so. Well, let's see what this is like. I've never flipped the front flippers, so forgive my ignorance. Let's try front flipping it. Actually, pretty hard to deploy right now. Probably needs backed off a little bit. Wow. Sounded great. Feels good in the hand, all but that pocket clip right here. This one, not so much as this end here. Jimping is amazing. See, that's my one complaint on the Praxis. The jimping's alright, but it could have been more aggressive, and it could have been up here a little bit. Could have had this in line with the choil here. It would have been perfect. Had something to push up on. That's why I like the Buster, because your thumb's out here more for the jimping. It's more relaxed feeling. Kind of cramps your hand after a while. This one you wouldn't have that problem, but let's look at size comparison with the Sodbuster farmhand. I don't know why I keep calling Sodbuster. You'd think I was used to Sodbusters. I ain't. I'm not. So it is a little longer. Blade and handle. It's trying to focus on that Buster. It really likes that Buster. So this may have to, I mean, it's drop shutty, like you shake it shut, but I am not used to a, like, I swear people were doing that, but maybe I was wrong. Maybe they were using their thumb. But see, you can't get a good, I don't know. And I'm not a thumb flicker, really. Of course, I could get it now. This one makes it fairly easy, actually. How about a reverse? I've never been able to do reverse. I don't think we're going to change that right now either. Oh my goodness, maybe we did. Maybe this will be one of my favorites after I get rid of that dang clip. But this is a nice little knife. I don't mind a liner lock either for fidgeting wise. You don't have to usually worry about hitting your fingers. Although with this blade, I could tell, like, you could. Yeah, I don't know. I have to train my hand more. Because I've seen people do the reach around. Yeah, I can't flick it like everybody else does. I can flick it with my thumbs and stuff. Practice makes perfect. Maybe loosen the pivots a little bit. Yeah, see, I'm failing it every time. Anybody got suggestions of what to do? Let me know in the comments, because maybe I'm just doing it wrong. See, like that would be fine, but it's not supposed to be a two-hander. I'm just mechanically disabled. See, like I can't get it to do that because my finger wants to stop right here. So I can flick it like that, like give it a flick, almost like an actual flipper tab on the back. So maybe that's what I'm doing wrong. I mean, I'm definitely going to play with this more. Matter of fact, I can't even put it down now. Even though I can't engage it correctly. Oh well, here. Let's get this other one open. This is going to be way too long the way it is. Because I like to talk. So I know what this one is because I like the Buster so much. Let's see what sticker they gave me in this one. Praxis again. I've got 2 or 3 of them. So, they say Civivi wrote me back through Amazon and said that they got rid of all the old, and this is all the updated, and it is indeed updated. It has the pins in there. What does this one look like? Right down the center again. This one's actually more down the center. It's about like that other one. It's down the center. If you're not looking at anything, but that's centered. But both of these have a tendency to look like they're going toward the pile side there. See how easy this one is to flip open compared to the other one? Because that one was really stiff. It's not horrible. It's about like that one already. So, oh, that G10 feels so much better to me than my Micarta. Micarta, excuse me. Wow. Not bad manners, good food. I don't know. I didn't even eat anything. Yeah, I did. I ate some breakfast pizza earlier from Casey's. So, the Micarta has like a cloth feeling almost. And it gives me the feeling of, I don't know if anybody else has that problem, but if I put my fingers on sweats, I get like a cringy feeling. And that's almost what that feels like when it's in my hand. It makes my hands feel dry. This already feels a lot better. Let me zoom out here because this is such a big knife. Yeah, that feels a lot better. I like the clean look of the steel, the Nitro V without the stonewash black, stonewash stuff or whatever that is. That's actually easier to deploy than that. And I wonder if that has to do. And let's look at this. See, no rattle, no movement at all. No side to side at all. Super tight. That one was as well. But as I used it, again, that one was super hard to see. That was fairly easy. If I'd have left on that button, that wasn't a really good. But see, again, it's still locked up really good. Oh, wow. I think I'm going to like this one a lot better. Could be muscle memory too, just having to play that one so long. This one might feel a little more aggressive right here. Wow, I love this one. This is probably going to be my favorite. That one already was, so these two are my favorites. Like I said, this would be a contender if it just had the jimping a little bit forward on it and came in like G10 or micarta. Like, what's going on? I think this is like 2 years old. This came out like 2 years ago. I don't know where the rest of the Praxis are. Did you give up on the Praxis? Let me know in the comments. I might get out of here in less than 20 minutes this time. This one I think I'm going to have a lot of fidget time with. Probably cut myself with it too. I'll post it if I get it on video. I did that one with the Rosecraft, and that did bleed. If I'd had the video longer, maybe that video shows it. I don't know. I haven't watched it for a while. But where I was shutting that Rosecraft Loussahatchee and it bit me, I literally dropped it. Like, that was just a reaction I had. So flick. See? Maybe this does need to be looser. Like the pivot. That ain't horrible there. Or maybe I just need practice. I see people do this, and I don't know how they do that without dropping it. I'm afraid, see? It's hitting my hand. I don't know how they got to reach around like that. Yeah, I don't know. Only thing I can do is my thumb. And even then, look. Oh, wow. Hopefully I'll get it, because then I could probably like this blade a whole lot more. Because right now, I don't know. Yeah, this is horrible. Like, you think that a guy that could do, you know, that kind of stuff, I mean, one-handed, I don't know, man. So far, I mean, I'm having better luck with the thumb, you know, like thumb flicking. And even a reverse, oh my goodness. Like, I could do a reverse with this blade. I can't do that with any other blade. That might be, I don't know. I guess my fingers are just not functional when it comes to the flipper part. Again, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll post some shorts probably, especially after I get used to this thing. Thank you very much.